Good morning, everyone. We're getting ready to make a pumpkin cake. We're going to use a boxed carrot cake, but you can use spice cake or gingerbread cake. I just like the carrot cake. And we're going to use a half a can of pumpkin and 3 eggs. We're just going to follow the directions on the back of the cake and also follow for whatever size pan you use. I'm going to use a bundt cake, or bundt pan, and I'm going to follow the directions for that. So let's get right on this. I'm going to put my cake mix in there. Let's see. Let's go ahead and put our water in here according to the box. Takes 1 cup of water, 3 eggs, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of butter in here. Get all that good butter out. The oil that the box says, which is 2/3. This is going to be super yummy, and we're going to put a caramel topping on this. So I'm excited to do that. I think it's going to be really tasty. About a half a can of pumpkin. This is 3/4 of a cup, so it's going to be about 1 cup of pumpkin. And then we're going to mix this all up with our mixer. Let's see, so that's mixed up. That was a little loud. Did you hear the turbo on that kick in? That's kind of cool. I like that. Let's see. And we've already greased our pan. Maybe I should turn the oven on. All right, the oven's hot and we're cooking it at 350. This is a bundt pan, so we're going to cook it 41 to 46 minutes. Let's get this in here. And then I'm going to show you how to make a caramel topping to go on it. And then we're going to put pecans on. All right, so the cake got done and we are going to get it moved over here so it can cool off. And then we're going to put it on a plate and get some frosting on it. Look at this cute little plate we're going to put it on. I got it at Walmart for 50 cents. Good score. So we're going to work on making our caramel drizzle while we wait for the cake to cool. All right, so we're going to do our caramel drizzle. I'm going to be using a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, and we're going to heat it up and melt all the caramels down. And I just unwrapped them. You might want to get somebody to help you unwrap them. That was a little bit of fun. You want to melt these down, get them nice and hot. This might take a few minutes, so bear with me. You just want to stir this until it's all dissolved. All right, our cake is done. I've got it on the plate. I'm going to came right out. All right, we're a little closer now. Let me get my frosting. Now, I didn't make frosting. I could have, but I don't have time for that. I got to go right into cooking something else for when the guys get home. So I'm just using some cream cheese frosting right out the can. Like I said, everybody don't have time for that. Now, if you were doing this on a round flat cake, you would just put caramel on the top. Let's see. Make it all pretty like. And that's it. There's our cake. Still warm, luscious, tasty. I don't know if I got a good shot of that. Let me move this over here. Actually, it looks good right there, doesn't it? Not too bad. Trying a volcano in the middle there. Should have put a cupcake in there. So join us next time.